The 2015 Buick LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, security system, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, heated front seats, compass, CD player, trip computer, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio, panic alarm, tachometer. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.